Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a pair of sandals for an 18-inch doll. You can make them any size you like for your doll. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. And thank you very much for watching. You'll need foam. I've used thin sticky back, silver, and a plain white which was a little thicker. If you have doll shoes, you can use those as a template, just draw around them, or you can draw around the doll's feet. That works just as well. I've cut an inner sole out of the thin sparkly foam. I've cut a middle sole out of the thicker white foam, and a bottom sole also out of the thin sparkly foam. For the upper part of the sandal, you'll need 4 pieces of fabric that fit your doll's foot. 2 for the front of the shoe, which will fit over the top of your doll's foot and tuck underneath onto this tacky part of the foam. And 2 for the back brace. They need to be thinner than the part that goes over the front. To hide the seams, you'll fold them to the middle and glue gun them in place. You can use fabric glue, it takes a little longer to dry. This is what it'll look like on the reverse side of the inner sole once you've stuck the straps in place. The next step is to put on the middle sole, the thicker white foam, and I do this because it makes the shoe a little more substantial, but it is a step that you could leave out if you prefer. Once the middle sole is in place, I peel and stick on the bottom sole. And the only thing you have to be careful is that you get the right shape of sole, the left and the right soles in the right position. And if you divide the 2 groups up in the first place, there's no problem with that. At this point, you can trim the soles all around if you need to make them a little neater. I like to finish off with a little ribbon trim. You can use ribbon or lace or cording, whichever you like. And here's the sandal finished. I think it looks really pretty. Here's another view of the sandal on. I think it looks really nice and it fits really well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm find me and it helps my channel grow, and I'd really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.